your English bestie. Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to Lexi Lingua, your English bestie. In today's video, we're going shopping. Well, sort of. You'll hear a fun and natural conversation between two friends, Zoe, who's bold and stylish, and Maya, who likes to keep it simple. They'll chat about their styles, fashion icons, shopping habits, and more. So listen closely, pick up some useful vocabulary and phrases, and think about how you talk about fashion. Let's get started.
Maya, I have to say, today's shopping trip was exactly what I needed. I didn't realize how much fun it is just browsing and trying things on, even if I don't buy a lot.
Honestly, I'm surprised I had fun too. Normally, I get overwhelmed in stores. Too many choices. But going with you made it better. You always know what looks good on people.
Thanks. I think fashion should be exciting, not stressful. For me, picking out an outfit is like choosing how I want to feel that day. Am I confident, chill, playful? I let the clothes match my mood.
See, that's the difference between us. I wake up, grab the nearest clean t-shirt, put on jeans, and I'm out the door. Comfort is king. I honestly never think that deeply about what I wear.
And that's totally okay. Everyone has their own style. Yours is casual and classic.
I've always felt like fashion just isn't for me. Like, I don't have the eye for it.
That's such a myth. Fashion isn't just about trends or expensive brands. It's about expressing yourself. Even choosing not to care much about fashion is a style. It says something about you.
I never thought about it that way. Maybe I'm just afraid to step outside my comfort zone. Like, I love seeing bold prints and colors on other people, but I feel weird wearing them myself.
I get that. Starting small helps. Like, remember that patterned scarf you tried on today? It actually looked amazing on you. Just adding one pop of color can totally lift an outfit.
You think so? I might go back and buy it. It did make me feel a little fancy.
Exactly. Fashion isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When I wear something I love, I walk differently. I smile more.
Okay, fashion queen. Speaking of which, who's your fashion icon these days?
Ooh, tough one. But I'd say Zendaya. She always looks confident and fresh, whether it's a red carpet dress or just streetwear. She plays with fashion like it's art.
Good choice. I admire Emma Watson. She's elegant but still down to earth. And she supports sustainable fashion, which I really respect.
Totally. That's becoming more important to me too. I'm trying to thrift more and avoid fast fashion when I can. Plus, vintage shops are like treasure hunts.
I actually like the idea of thrifting. It's cheaper, better for the planet, and kind of fun. Maybe next time we hang out, we do a thrift day?
Yes, I'd love that. Let's find you something that still feels like you, but with a little twist. Who knows? You might become a style icon yourself.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. But okay, baby steps. I'll start with that scarf and see how it goes.
Deal. And who knows? One day you might show up wearing neon green boots and a leopard coat.
Only if I'm sleepwalking.
That was fun. Let's quickly recap some useful phrases from today's chat. Now, that's totally your style. Fashion is a way to express yourself. Comfort is king. Thrift shops are like treasure hunts. Just adding one pop of color can totally lift an outfit. What about you? What's your personal style? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like the video and maybe show up with a new scarf next time. Subscribe to Lexi Lingua, your English bestie, for more real conversations in English. See you next time.